Hey guys, it's Clay, CPAPmyway, CPAPmyway.com. Today I'm here with a real quick one on the AirFit F30i Non-Magnetic. Okay, so this is a particular mask version. It's the AirFit F30i from ResMed, obviously, but you can see here there's no magnets. These are for people that have implants or maybe something that prevents them from being able to use magnets. This mask is still usable, but you have to get the one that is non-magnetic. So a couple of quick things I want to point out about it. First off, these parts are unique to this mask. Well, two of the three, I should say. The mask itself has obviously the frame, the cushion, and the headgear. I'm going to leave the headgear attached. The headgear and the frame are the part that are very unique. You'll notice this is the non-magnetic clip on the frame and the non-magnetic clip on the headgear. You can use any cushion. So the standard F30i cushion or even the AirTouch F30i cushion will fit this frame, but you will have to have both the frame and the non-magnetic headgear. Obviously, if you're buying the entire kit, you're gonna get both, but some people have bought just the frame or just the headgear and realize that it will not fit with their mask. So wanted to just demonstrate that for you. It is obviously very, very simple, as I've demonstrated here, to take the clips on and off. They pop right in and out very, very easily. And it does keep you from having to worry about magnets at all. So hope you found that helpful. Hit us with a thumbs up if you did. And thank you for watching.